Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fall in Love with Coding. So today our topic is programming language. So what is programming language? Any programming language consists of alphabets, digits, special symbols, usage rules that permit people to communicate with the computer to solve their problems. So alphabets in English are A to Z or small a to Z. Digits are 0 to 9. Special symbols, examples, plus, minus, dollar, multiplication, hashtag, etc. And usage rules. What are usage rules? Like in English language, we have grammar. Same like that, in our programming language also, we have grammar. That is nothing but syntax. In computer science, it is known as syntax. Syntax is a rule of regulations that explains how statements should be written in the language. Next, what are types of languages? Any programming languages are divided into basically two types. They are as follows: low level language and high level language. Actually, there is another level of language, that is middle level language. We'll come to know about that in further classes. Firstly, let's learn about low level language. What is low level language? Computer understands one and only one language, that is machine language. What is machine language? Machine language is nothing but it's a collection of zeros and ones. So computer understands only 0 and 1. That is also known as binary language. The programming language in which instructions are written in machine language comes under the category of low level language. So next, for example, take two numbers. Let's assume it's A and B. These are two numbers, and using machine language the instructions are, this is for A, assume, and this instruction is for addition of two numbers. This is for B. If we give in such a way like this, can you understand how to do the addition of two numbers? No, right? This is only understandable by the computer. So the above binary instructions, these are the above binary instructions, are not understandable to humans, whereas the computer understands and gives sum of two numbers. So the language in which instructions are written in machine language, that is zeros and ones, are known as low level language. Here if you see, this is completely written in 0 and 1. Can you see any other digit excluding the 0 and 1? No, because in binary language there will be only 0 and 1. Now let us know the examples of low level language, that are machine level languages, assembly languages. That's it. So now we'll know the features of low level language or advantages of low level language. First is faster program execution. Instructions of a machine language program are immediately executable because computer understands. What computer understands? Zeros and ones. If we give in 0 and 1, computer understands these instructions directly, and since no compilation and translation steps are required. If we give a language in English, computer don't understand. It needs several steps to change it to 0 and 1. But if we directly give in 0 and 1, it's very simple for the computer. So it can execute faster. Next, hence the program written in machine language executes faster, what is called as faster programming language. Next, disadvantages. It's machine dependent. Machine languages are machine dependent. That is, a programming written in one type of computer may not execute in other types of computers due to use of different binary codes in different computers. So this is a disadvantage of low level language. And slow program developments. Another disadvantage is that machine language requires a high level of programming skills, that it takes too much of time to write a program, which is called a slow programming language, because many of us don't know the machine language, right? We are aware of English language, but can you do the same code in machine language? Can you write the program in zeros and ones? No, right? You'll write only in English. So this is not worth for us. We only know high level language. Low level language can be understandable only by the computers. We humans can't understand the low level language. Next, moving to the purpose. What is the purpose of low level language? Low level languages are best suited for writing system software or programs. System software are the programs that are useful for computers to function. And some system software examples are operating system devices, drives, etc. What is an operating system? Windows, Linux. You'll operate the system, right? If you open the system, you'll get Windows screen. That's a basic operating system you have to know. Windows is a operating system. Now we'll move to the high level language. So it is not easy to write program in machine language. I already told, right? In zeros and ones we can't write a program. So that's very difficult for us humans to write in zeros and ones. Since another type of programming languages are introduced, which are known as high level languages. In these languages, instructions are written in English, which language we know very well and we can understand it. So for example, same example we'll take. Add of two numbers. The instructions are, let's give A as 10. We'll assign A to 10 and B is assigned with 20. Next C. It's a variable. These are the variables. In C, we'll keep A plus B. So print C. Just we should print the answer. So everyone will understand. A is 20, A is 10, B is 20, C is A plus B. That is 10 plus 20. What is C? It's 30. Everyone can understand. Once go back and look at the low level language example which I have given. The instructions are only in zeros and ones. Can you understand? Can you do the addition of those two numbers? No, because it only be understood by the computer. But this code everyone can understand. Humans can understand it very well. So humans understands high level language. That is nothing but English language. The above code is easy to write and moreover we can understand. Some of the high level languages are COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, C++, Java, etc. I don't know you remember it or not. COBOL, Fortran, you heard somewhere. Where? In history of the C language I have already told about these both languages. So next. So the language in which the instructions written in English comes under the category of high level language. So what we write the code, that is high level language code. Okay. Now the advantages of high level language. Fast program development. In high level language it is easy to write a program, that is program can be developed very fast, which is called a fast program development. Because we know English language, so we'll develop the program very fast. Now disadvantages. Slow program execution, because we'll write the language in English, but computer understands only binary language, that is machine language. So what it should do? It should convert the English language to machine language. So it takes time. So the slow program execution will happen. Instructions of the high level language are not immediately executable because the computer don't understand English formal. So these languages require translations. Translation step is nothing but this, changing the English language to the machine language. From English to computer understandable language, that is machine language. This transaction process takes time. As a result, the program runs slow, that is slow program execution. Next, that is a purpose. High level languages are used to write application software such as banking, supermarket, MS Word softwares, etc. Now, actually where is C stands for? That is C language. In which of these both the C comes as? Is it low level language or high level language? If you know the answer, just comment it. Now, C is also a language, right? Where it stands? Low level or high level language? In C, instructions are written in English language since it comes under high level language. In C, we'll write in English, so it comes under high level language category. But even though it is high level language, It is often called as mid-level language because let's see the reasons. C satisfies the advantages of both low-level and high-level languages. C can be used to write both system programs as in low-level language and form general purpose programs in high-level language. Since C satisfies the features of both low-level and high-level languages, it is also known as middle-level language. When I am saying about low-level language and high-level language, I have told that there is another level, that is middle-level. It consists of both low-level and high-level features. So, C is a type of middle-level language. Let's know what are the number systems in tomorrow's class. I hope you like my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please support. Thank you.